Wave goodbye. We may not ever see you again. Bye. It's a video camera.
Bye.
Don't hurt yourself.
Try not to.
Okay.
I won't get hurt anyway.
She's a good driver.
Oh, is she?
Yeah.
Oh, you must
You think they're going to be okay? Jason? Whoa, Jason. Talk to me, boy. Okay, bye. Say a few words to the...
Is that
your mom? I don't know.
the movie camera?
Yeah, it is right now.
Really?
Yeah, well,
That's cool.
it's their video.
I'm Jerry's nephew.
That's right. So far, so good.
I'm visiting from Jeff City with all these strange people.
Oh, here's one
I
now.
haven't seen in 20 years. Yeah. The very strangest, probably.
Say a few words.
A few words.
Okay.
I can say that.
David, say hi.
Hayata.
Don't forget you promised David something.
Yes, I'll do that.
Look at me. So can I ride the cart? Go kart or not?
Say hi to the camera, Cecil.
Hi.
Wave.
Nice family.
Wave to the camera. There you go. Oh yeah, the parade wave.
You're leaving?
Aww. We caught a moment.
Y'all leaving right now? I'm not going to go to the expense of seating in the grass at this trailer park. I'm not staying.
Smile. Wave to the camera.
I didn't get it, okay?
You want any antifreeze?
Oh, man.
Now the parade wave again. Oh, captured another moment.
Okay.
What's that have to do with whether
You better. Take care of it.
right here.
I'm going to visit for a moment. I feel better. Only because you said it, Robert was a sentimental person. I got it back. Just let you know, I'm giving it back to her.
Is that a movie camera?
Well, I would have bought you one till she said 25 bucks.
Oh, look at that. Now who did that?
Yeah, it is.
Did you see who did that?
I've been drinking too. Look at that.
I'll get the broom.
That's gonna cost him a ladder.
Robbery. Lighter's history, baby. Sorry.
I don't know what happened. All of a sudden I just felt
What happened?
I thought I saw somebody run through and knock that out of your hand.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's it.
What
It's all on
happened
video.
was,
Sweetheart, this would be something cute to have in our backyard, this
Come on,
table.
give me a hug.
Well, I see if we can get it on the plane.
Do I have to?
That means you don't have to do nothing.
Then you don't leave if I don't hug you.
She don't smoke. I'll have to show her lighter.
I think this is great because all I got to do is say Robert and somebody's going to do something.
Right? And Betty come up to the door whenever she got home. Is there a Robert in there? Robert says yes. Will you go down to my car and get that? Any Robert will do.
The adult says do something, we still do it.
it rained, didn't it?
In your nose?
I said, if you got some nose hair, right one needs some work.
Well, we took it away. It didn't mean to take it.
Is that a camera?
Go see if Aunt Betty can weave those for you or something.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe she could style those. Yeah.
Daddy's to come off the camera.
Yes.
I know this one. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Drive safe. Or ride safe, or whichever you're doing.
I'm going to sleep safe. How about that?
Okay, sleep safe.
Be careful.
It's always a good idea.
See you again in another 30 years.
Yeah, like it's like surprising.
Baby!
Why are you doing this?
I was trying to catch a candid moment, but there are no such
See
things.
somebody's camera that's got one of the family photos on it. So
That's funny.
I can see it before.
Hi.
You did it this time. Ha 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 ha.